Welcome to our channel. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to quickly and smoothly log into your Pipedrive account. Welcome to our channel. In this guide, we'll walk you through the entire process of logging into your Pipedrive account efficiently and without any hassle. First step is to open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. It can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you like. Once your browser is open, type in the address bar the official Pipedrive website URL, www.pipedrive.com, and press enter. You will be directed to the Pipedrive homepage. From here, the login process begins. Look at the top right corner of the homepage. You will see a button labeled Login. Click on it to proceed to the login page. After clicking the login button, you will be taken to a screen where you need to enter your account credentials. The first box asks for your email address. Make sure to enter the email you registered with accurately. The second box requires your password. Type your password carefully to avoid errors. If you aren't sure about your password, you can click on the Forgot Password link just below the password field, which will guide you through resetting it. Now that you have entered your credentials correctly, you can proceed by clicking the Login button. Below the Login button, you may encounter an option to keep yourself logged in by ticking a checkbox. This is helpful if you want quicker access in future sessions, but only use it on your personal device. Users who have enabled two-factor authentication, there will be an extra security step. After successfully entering your email and password, you might be prompted to enter a code sent to your mobile device or email. This helps to protect your account from unauthorized access. After submitting the code, your Pipedrive dashboard will load. Your dashboard is the main hub where you can manage your sales pipelines, deals, contacts, and more. If you experience any issues logging in, such as wrong password or unrecognized email, double-check the details and try again. If problems persist, consider visiting the Pipedrive Help Center through their website or contact their support team for assistance. That's everything you need to know to get started logging into your Pipedrive account smoothly and confidently. Don't forget that keeping your login details secure and updating passwords regularly will keep your account safe and your activities uninterrupted. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and guides.